Especially if there is a statement that comes out from the airline. Moving on to the big story of the hour, Rajya Sabha saw stormy scenes this morning with the opposition demanding to know who allowed a convicted rapist to be interviewed while lodged in jail. Now, Home Minister Rajnath Singh clarified that permission to interview Mukesh Singh was given on the 24th of July in the year 2013, while Sushil Kumar Shinde was Home Minister. Rajnath also said that a conditional permission was given and that the filmmaker violated the terms that were set for allowing that interview. The opposition, however, far from being placated, the Congress, SP, BSP and JDU were opposition parties that demanded to know why no action has been taken till now, to which the Home Minister assured the House that responsibility will be affixed for how permission was given to shoot a documentary on that rapist.
नहीं रोकेंगे ना। आज तो संसद में भी मैंने कहा है कि जो भी जिन भी प्रोविजंस के तहत ये परमिशन दी गई है, हम उन सारे प्रोविजंस को भी रिव्यू करेंगे ताकि भविष्य में इस प्रकार की कोई गलती न होने पाए। और आप सबको मालूम है कि हमारे कार्यकाल में वो परमिशन नहीं दी गई। यदि आवश्यक हुआ, यदि लगा तो किसी न किसी के ऊपर रिस्पांसिबिलिटी फिक्स की जा सकती है तो हम फिक्स करेंगे, रिस्पांसिबिलिटी फिक्स करेंगे। इसका मतलब ये एक्शन होगा। मैंने INB मिनिस्ट्री से भी मैंने बातचीत की है, कार्रवाई चल रही है।
Rajnath Singh made a statement in the House. We have with us Kiran Rijiju. So this has been taken at the highest of level. How serious is the government about it? We believe the DG has been summoned, but what is the promise the Home Ministry is making on this issue, sir?
The Home Minister has made a very categorical statement in the House. So based on the commitment made in the House, action will be initiated.
But this is obviously a serious case, and believe the entire permission was given during the UPA rule. Do you think there were certain loopholes that this sort of permission should not have been given in the first place?
It is not question of the tenure of which government, but it's a question of the issue which is very, very serious in nature, and government is taking very, very serious action with regards to whatever had happened. And the Home Minister's statement in the Parliament is an assurance that appropriate action will be taken.
You were there was a huge uproar, but in the hindsight, do you think you were caught unaware that Tihar jail should have kept the new government in the loop of things?
See, the incident is not of our government. The incident is of previous time. So it cannot be attributed to this government or that government. The issue is serious, and the government is taking action.
One final question, sir. Will it be a time-bound probe? What is the sort of things which will be submitted to the chair of the House?
That is as per the parliamentary rules. Once commitment is made, then action will have to be followed as per the commitment being made.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. Kiran Rijiju there, MOS Home, clarifying a commitment has been made to the floor of the House. And yes, a report will be submitted. A high-level probe has already been ordered into this. And yes, the entire extension where both the Indian and the foreign media will be stopped from telecasting this particular documentary. With camera person Sanjeev, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Delhi for Headlines Today.
देखिए, इंटरनेट और टीवी में एक बहुत खास बड़ा अंतर यह है कि इंटरनेट आप खुद व्यक्तिगत रूप से देखते हैं और आप उसको खुद जाके क्लिक करते हैं, तब आपको वो दिखाई देता है। इंटरनेट को अभी जिस तरह का हम प्रोग्रामिंग कोड अपने टेलीविजन चैनल्स के लिए लगाते हैं, जो कि सार्वजनिक रूप से दिखता है, उसमें बच्चे भी देखते हैं, महिलाएं सब देखते हैं परिवार के रूप से, उसमें यह अंतर हो जाता है। और इंटरनेट के लिए कोई प्रोग्रामिंग कोड अभी बना नहीं है और ना ही कोई बनाने का कोई सरकार का कोई इरादा है।
मैं प्राइमा फेसाई देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग। इंटरव्यू की इजाज़त दी जा सकती है और इजाज़त के साथ में कुछ कंडीशंस लगाई जाती हैं और ऑर्डर रिस्ट्रेंट का हमने लेने के बाद में जो है उसकी खबर मीडिया को रातों रात भी हमने दी है। अब आज हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि जो फर्दर मीडिया को इस बारे में जानकारी दी जा सके ताकि ऐसी कोई बात भी मीडिया ना चलाए जो गैर कानूनी है। और हमारा प्रयास ये भी है कि BBC को भी हम जो है इसके बारे में जानकारी दें।
And Samajwadi Party MP Jaya Bachchan was among the women MPs who had sought a detailed debate in the House. All right, news just coming in. The Home Ministry has asked the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, the BBC and the External Affairs Ministry to ensure that the documentary is not broadcasted in any form, whether on social sites or YouTube. Home Minister Rajnath Singh will also hold a high-level meeting today at 5 p.m. with the Lieutenant Governor, the Delhi Police Commissioner, the Home Secretary and the DG of Tihar on the row over the Nirbhaya documentary. Kamaljeet now joins me live on that story. Kamaljeet, the Home Ministry making every possible effort to ensure that this documentary is not broadcasted.
Well, for the government, it has become a matter of prestige, and that is why a high-level meeting is being held, especially after assuring the House and the Chair that a deepest inquiry will be done on this particular case. And remember, this has obviously become MHA versus Leslie Udwin, who is the documentary maker. She's claiming she has all the requisite permission, while Rajnath Singh is obviously stating in the House very much that there were terms and conditions which were violated by the documentary maker. This was obviously only to be meant for a study and not for broadcast, not for a commercial use. These are some of the points that the Home Ministry is really coming out with. But yes, after stating that this is something which the government is completely against, that this would obviously become a matter of shame and international shame for the entire country. This has been seen as a matter of prestige for India and the Indian government, and that is why we've seen that even while it was discussed, a heated debate happened in the floor of the House, at least in the Rajya Sabha, even in Lok Sabha. The high-level meetings have been continuously on. A report by the DG Tihar was submitted yesterday. Today also there's been a series of meetings. DG Tihar was summoned in the afternoon, and today in the evening at around 5 o'clock we do expect a high-level meeting to be chaired by Home Minister Rajnath Singh, and obviously taking at the highest of levels with Delhi Police first registering the FIR and then obviously getting the restraint from the court that this movie should be banned, and that same communication has been now passed on to the External Affairs and the Broadcast Ministries to make sure that nationally or internationally on Women's Day, which is the 8th of March, this particular documentary should not be broadcast anywhere in the world.
But that raging debate does continue, Kamal, on whether this documentary should be broadcasted. Thank you so much for joining us on that big breaking news coming in. The MHA asking the INB Ministry, the BBC as well as the MEA to ensure that this documentary is not broadcasted in any